Okay, Black Dog, what are we doing? So Super Cat, remember we're getting the bracelet, whatever, the necklace that gives you some the power or something, like the Heaven Band. Remember Heaven Band with the Black Ninja? Remember on the news? Yeah. I get what you mean. Hexagon's necklace, right? Yeah. Okay. You better look. So, okay. Okay. So I get. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Oh wait a minute, is that Stormtrooper? Oh my, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. What? That's Stormtrooper. What Stormtrooper? Oh, that's Stormtrooper or clone. I don't know if it's Stormtrooper or clone trooper, because I think he said it's a clone trooper. And I completely know they're the ones who destroyed. That's my favorite statue. And plus they are magical and they just teleported it. And now they're talking about it, which is making me depressed. Because I do not like. Okay, let's just do this quickly. Oh, I said I'll get paid back. No, you won't. No, my leg is broken again. Yeah, I did break his leg by accident. Fine, then I'll destroy your statue. Oh wait, that's my broken leg. Hey, stop it, please. And dust. Just attack them. Just attack them. Okay, this is gonna be weird. No. Oh, I can't even jump right anymore. Oh. I got this. You just kicked me in the butt. Okay, that's still on top. Now let's beat him. Oh. Okay, let's just do this. So the plan is whatever. You are just to keep them so they won't get me. That's the plan. So then I get that black necklace, and then I'll have me all the powers and blah 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 blah. I don't know what will happen next. And then I think we'll just go home after. Okay, make sure they don't go. Okay. I'm there. Got it. Black bracelet. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Super Cat needs some help here. Okay. He still has a broken leg. You gotta be kidding me. I broke my arm. Oh god, this is gonna be awesome. Ooh, yeah. Wow! What? And was that the one that pretended to be her? Yep. I broke my leg. Okay, use 2 more. It's gonna be the double. I'm pretty sure you won't use this. Find and prove. Yeah. Kicked. Super slam. Oof. Ow. They both got their legs, arms, or blah 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 broken. Okay. There we go. 10 to 10. Na 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 na. Na 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 nu. Na 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 nu. Na 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 na. Got it. Okay, I don't want to lose the holder because I won't really be wearing this forever. Unless the purse will keep us company. So let's go. Woo! Uh-oh. Woo! I forgot to fly. Oh, wait. I'm on the launcher, and it's on the other... Oh, wait. Never mind. Oh, dang it. Ow, that really hurt. Oh, okay, I never am gonna do that again. Okay, let's just get out of here. Oh well. We didn't learn to go the other way. Yeah. That means I'm in big trouble. Oh, wait a minute. Where's the holder? It's down here. Ah.